Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use Microsoft Stream for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 4, screen recording. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this comes with a Word business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com and make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to Explore All the Applications. Now let's go to Microsoft Stream. And so how would we start a screen recording using Microsoft Stream? That's a very good question. If I go to the left top corner where it says New Recording, once you click on this, this will immediately take you to a video recording of yourself via the camera built into the Mac computer or externally if you are using an iPhone. So let's click on New Recording. As you can now see, I'm on screen, but I've blurred it out. The whole purpose of this tutorial is to guide you into how to record the screen. If I go to the bottom left corner of the screen, click on screen recording. Now let's pick the camera, FaceTime HD, default internal microphone. Let's start the screen recording. Choose what to share, the entire screen. If I now minimize Google Chrome for the moment, the screen itself is being recorded. If I go back to Google Chrome, stop recording. If I now minimize Google Chrome for the moment, the screen itself is being recorded. If I go back to Google Chrome, stop recording. And there we go. We can now publish this video if we wish to. Let's click on Publish. So it's uploading to OneDrive. May take a second or two. And so the video itself has been uploaded and now saved to OneDrive. And so that's how you screen record using Microsoft Stream. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.